Hello guys, so today we're gonna take one of this glass from Dollar Tree. We're gonna take these little roses and we're just gonna go like bend it a little bit and then put the leaves like that so you can place it right in the middle like that. I didn't glue it, but if you want to glue it, you could just glue it too. Then I'm gonna take this floral foam, put a little bit of hot glue around the floral foam like that, and then you're just gonna go ahead and place it right on top to attach it into place. Then after that, I'm gonna take my toothpick and I'm gonna place flour inside the floral foam, and you're gonna continue doing this until you fill out the whole floral foam around it. You can add some cute details around it to make it cute, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. Simple and easy that you guys can do at home. This could be like for a little home decor, or you could also do it for a party decorations. Now if you want to make it more elegant, so we're going to go ahead and do a different things now. So we're going to take another little base like that, and we're gonna do the same process, but we're gonna put the glass like upside down, and then we're gonna put the flower right inside there like that. I'm not attaching it, but if you wanted to attach it, you could with a little bit of hot glue to the top of the flower, but I wanted to be like that, not all the way to the top. So just place it like that, and then I'm gonna place the other one on top. But before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some hot glue and place it around it. Here you can make sure to use E6000 for all my videos. I just use the hot glue for the purpose of the video. And then after you do that, you attach it together, and this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is like more a taller version or of the other one, and I think it came out super cute, and it's easy that you guys can do it at home. You could also do it in different color as well. I think any color of this centerpiece will look great, and then you could do this for wedding or party decoration or whatever you guys want to use it for. Now for the next idea, we're gonna go ahead and grab one of these little glass. You could get any wine glass that you guys have. I found this one, and they have this sand in red color. They have different colors in Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside like that. I'm not gonna fill out the whole thing. I'm just gonna fill out the bottom part like that. Then I'm gonna spread it out and then just fill it up like in the middle. Then go ahead and place your flower right in the middle like that. And for the other one, we're gonna do the same process. We're just gonna go ahead and put some sand inside, and then I'm gonna take this candle holder and place it right in there like that. Just make sure to place it right in the middle. Then after you guys do that, then you turn it on, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy and cute that you guys can do at home. This is like more for, you could do it for like a table accessory, like to put it around of any centerpiece that you guys are doing. I think it will look super cute. And then this one, how it will look with a flower, I think it looks great as well. Either way that you guys do it, I think it's super cute, and it's something simple and easy when you guys don't have no time to decorate your table decorations. Or you could place both of them together like this one next to each other. You could put a big base centerpiece on the side if you guys would like it too. Now for the next idea, we're going to go ahead and grab the glass, and we're gonna take the flower as well, but we're gonna put hot glue. Make sure to put a lot of hot glue in here. Then after you put a lot of hot glue, you're gonna bend down the cup like that, and then just place the flower there. Hold it into place, guys. You have to hold it and let it dry. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same process into the other centerpiece, and make sure when you put it, you hold it a little bit down like that, and then you let go. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place some rocks at the bottom part. I just don't like it when it showed the hot glue, so I'm gonna put rocks so it won't show. You can leave it as that if you don't mind, and you can leave it like this, just with the rocks and the flower. This is just to be a simple decorations for your table decor like that. You can also add up some candle in the middle, a little glass. Like, I'm giving you a different idea. But now if you want something different, I also put some water in here. Just fill it up all the way to the top, and then place a candle. And this is how cute you guys it turns out with a floating candle. I think it looks great, and it's super cute that you guys can do at home. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please let me know which one is your favorite out of them. Thanks again for watching.